As we are approaching the top of the hour, what would you say are some just maybe two or three tips that could leave with our audience? What should they do if they are if they're starting a business, because that's usually when, a lot of these discussions, arise. What tips would you have for them?
Sure. Number one, just from a personal standpoint, don't discuss your businesses or business ideas with your friends or family. Not
Hmm.
only is that going to get the word out there, but you don't want their negativity to affect your dreams, right? You
Hmm.
have your own visions and you need to keep your mouth shut until you're ready to go. And that's when you tell the world, hey, this is what's coming out. Because guess what? There have been too many times I have seen, even in my own history, I have seen people tell me, oh, that's not going to work. Why don't you do something else? So they have effectively killed your dreams even before you had a chance to do anything about it. So don't talk to everybody about it. Of course, if you have a partner and you wanted to discuss, that's something completely different, but don't go and blast it to everybody, because I bet you someone's going to say something that will make you at least take a double look at what you're doing. That's number one. Number two, before you blast anything on social media at all, the name, the logo, the slogan, and this happens all the time because people want that publicity, they want the followers. Before you do any of that, consult with an attorney like myself so you can see how you can protect your brand identity. To see if there would be any conflicts, that if someone else has a similar or the same name, by you using that same name, even without you knowing, you could be infringing on someone else's trademark, because again, that's brand identity. So you could actually get in trouble even if you didn't know that your name that you came up with, your business name, is infringing on someone else's. So it's always a good idea to speak to an attorney to get all that straightened out before you spend more money on promoting, on production, things like that. And the third one would be to say, don't compare yourself to anyone else, because
Hmm.
you don't know everyone. You don't know anyone's struggle.
No, right.
And everything we see online is through rose-colored glasses, right? And no one's going to put up their struggles really online, right? No one's going to put that on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or TikTok. They're not going to say, oh, I'm having such a rough time with this. What do we see though on social media? We see, I just made six figures
Oh,
in one day. I'm like, okay, whatever. But these are the things that can subconsciously tell you to stop doing what you're doing because you're not good enough. So just don't compare yourself. You're on your own journey, everybody else on their own journey. You'll get to where you need to go if you just stay focused and take the safeguards that you need to by speaking to attorneys like myself, Elsa, and whoever else it may be.
I love it.